everyone, 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm 서미소랑 from FunPik, where we give you all the essential skills needed to reach your target TOPIK level. Now in Topic 2, question 23 is about choosing the subject's emotion. And this question is paired with question number 24, which is about choosing the correct statement. Both questions are based on the same body of text. I'll show you what I mean. One body of text, two questions, one about asking about the emotion, and the other one about choosing the correct statement. All right. Now in this video, we will look at question 23 only, so let's zoom in on these two instructions. First, instruction for both 23 and 24. 다음을 읽고 물음에 답하십시오. Read the following and answer what is being asked. In other words, read the following and answer the questions. Each question is worth 2 points each. Now, the instruction for just 23. 밑줄 친 부분에 나타난 나의 심정으로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. Choose the most appropriate one that 나 is feeling as expressed in the underlined part. All right. Now, what is 나 here? Well, 나 is the speaker, the writer, because the text is written in the first person. So this is how it will be translated. Choose the emotion that 나 is most likely to feel in the underlined text. All right, now this is FunPik's step-by-step recommendation for solving this question type. First, read through the options. Then read the text, focusing on the parts before and after the underlined part, so that one particular fragment is what you should be really concentrating on. Read that and think about how people usually feel in such a situation. And of course, because we are talking about emotions, it is very essential to be familiar with words expressing feelings and emotions. All right, let's solve one together. This is from the 64th topic. First, what do? Do you read the text first or the options first? First, read the options. 걱정스럽다, 불만스럽다, 후회스럽다, 당황스럽다. They're all emotions. 걱정스럽다, be worried. 불만스럽다, be dissatisfied. 후회스럽다, be regretful. 당황스럽다, this is an expression that is kind of difficult to precisely translate into English because I feel that there isn't one English word that encapsulates all the different meanings of this word. But basically it means to be baffled or to be freaked out or be shocked or not know what to do. So that is 당황스럽다. All right, let's read the text. You can read through the entire text if you have time, but our tip is that you can just look at the fragment with the underlined part and you should be able to solve the question. So let's do that. Here is the underlined part. Let's have a look at the fragment from here to here. All right. 내가 한 실수에 화를 낼지도 모른다는 생각에 떨리는 목소리로 상황을 설명하자. All right. So once I explained the situation with a shaking, quivering voice because I thought that the other person will get angry at my mistake. All right. 화를 낼지도 모른다는 생각. How do we usually feel when we make a mistake and think that the other person might get angry, so much so that our voice shakes? We are terrified. We are worried. So of these four options, what is it? The correct answer is 걱정스럽다. Number 1 is the correct answer. All right, time for some quick tips from FunPik. Because the question is about emotions, it is critical to know expressions related to emotions and feelings. For example, 당황스럽다, as I mentioned before, be freaked out, be baffled. 답답하다, feel stuffy, feel constricted. 부담스럽다, another expression that doesn't really have an English version. There are multiple ways of expressing or translating, interpreting this word. You feel pressured or you feel scared. You feel burdensome, 부담스럽다. The other ones are relatively more straightforward. 후회스럽다, be regretful, feel regretful, 억울하다, feel chagrined, and so on. Alright, let's do one more. This is from the 60th topic. Let's go through the options first. 짜증스럽다, be, feel annoyed. 실망스럽다, feel disappointed. 불만스럽다, feel dissatisfied. 당황스럽다, here it is, feel baffled, not know what to do, feel panicky, feel freaked out, and so on. The text. Let's just focus on this part. Okay, it ends around here. Let's focus on just this sentence. 일을 시작한 첫날, 아침부터 밀려드는 손님들로 인해 등에서 땀이 흘렀다. On the first day of starting work, 땀이 흘렀다. I broke out into a sweat or cold sweat ran down my back because 아침부터 from morning 밀려드는 손님들. There were so many customers. Alright, so how are you likely to feel when it's your first day of work? So you're most likely unfamiliar with everything, but right from morning you are inundated with customers. So much so that you are sweating. Well, yeah, you might feel 짜증스럽다, but the most closest answer is 당황스럽다. You're feeling panicky. You feel a bit of a panic because you don't know what to do. So 당황스럽다 is the correct answer, number 4. Alright, so let's wrap up. Summary time. You can take a screenshot of this to refer to down the line when you are studying. Question number 23 is about choosing the subject's emotion. Here are the tips. Read the options before reading the text. When you read the text, focus on the fragment with the underlined part and think about how people usually feel in such a situation. Alright, let's see if you have really understood this question type. I'll leave you with a question to solve by yourself. Please take a look at it and tell me what you think the correct answer is in the comments down below. Alright everyone, that is a wrap for today. I'll see you next time. 다음 수업에서 만나요. Bye-bye.